Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Here is the first lesson on functions. Let's see how this goes. So functions are really just a special relationship between numbers. Basically, every input will give you an output. All right. It won't be a function if the input gives you two different outputs, right? We don't want to put something in and they get two different things out. That's something else, but it's not part of the function family, all right? If you noticed on the notes, they showed you that they basically made a mapping diagram. So that's just a fancy word, a way of organizing the information. Typically, the input is on the left and your output values or information's on the right. If you think of this like a graph, okay, your X's and your Y's. Your X's are your inputs. Your Y's are your outputs, right? And again, for every input, there's going to be an output. For every input, there's going to be an output. It doesn't always have to be a straight line. We will typically deal with a lot of straight lines just because you're in a linear graphing kind of class right now. But again, it doesn't always have to be. But again, with an input, they don't want more than one output. So we're not going to have basically straight vertical information or lines, right? That would not be a function. Okay, so that's kind of the first thing of what is a function, what's not a function. And you'll notice, so again, if we have 0 and 2 and 4 and 6, as long as each output from the input comes out only with 1, that is totally fine. Now you can, have several different ways of saying, 0 will give me something and 2 will give me something, all right, and so on and so forth. All right, so just a little bit of information starting off with what functions are and how we're going to go about using them.